In today's video, I'm going to share with you a secret. I got to tell you right off the bat, it's going to blow your mind. Now, if you've had the worst yard on the block for years, that's about to change with today's video. I want you to take a good look behind me, and what you'll notice is part of the grass is a very green. It looks very vibrant and healthy. And then, some of the grass further back, you can distinctly see a line where it's just yellow and brown, doesn't look that great. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share a secret with you that realtors know, owners of baseball and football franchises, soccer teams, they know this secret, and it's how to get your grass beautiful, green, lush in just a matter of hours. So here's the big secret when realtors are showing a house. Golf courses use this as well to keep the greens looking green. And what it is it's a colorant that's applied to the grass. It's sprayed on. And I'm going to take you through the process step by step so you can have a lush green lawn too, just like we did here at the Ugly House. Now, this is the product that we're going to be using right here. It's called Endurant, and it came with stellar reviews. I found it on Amazon for $94. 1 gallon is supposed to cover 10,000 square feet. So I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. So let's get started. All right, now I want to tell you, you want to make certain that you're wearing gloves before you start the mixing process because this colorant is very concentrated. You want to pay particular attention to rates of carrier volume. It'll tell you how much colorant you'll want to mix per gallon of water for a certain amount of coverage, like if you have an acre or 3 acres. Just make certain that you read this first. Now, I've got about a ½ acre of land, so my project is going to be pretty large. And what I'm going to do is I'm using the recommended amount of colorant for the area I want to cover and my desired effects. Now, what I'm doing is I'm using 8 ounces, that's what this bottle represents, 8 ounces of colorant per gallon of water. Now, they suggest that you can use a garden sprayer like this one, but I have to tell you, quite honestly, if you've got a large area to do like I do, this is just not going to cut it. If you got a real small area, maybe you can get away with a garden sprayer, okay? So just consider what the size of your particular lawn is and how long you want to commit to doing it. I myself know that I have to use a commercial sprayer. Now, what I'm going to be using this here. It's the Gucciba 925 paint sprayer, and it's really a commercial grade paint sprayer. I was lucky enough that the company sent me one to try out. It came with the extension, which is perfect for this type of application. So we're going to put this thing to the test and also get the yard sprayed very quickly. Now, folks, I'm getting ready to spray, but if you notice, I'm wearing not only gloves, but I'm also wearing protection. I want my arms covered, and it's going to cut down on any kind of overspray that comes in contact with my skin. Now, what I want to tell you is this as well. This product really, it's intended, folks, for dormant or semi-dormant grass. But if you've got a big event coming up, like, maybe you're trying to sell your home and you want to green up the lawn for pictures or just for the open house, you may want to consider this. And then beyond that, if, for example, you're having a function like a wedding and you want the best pictures possible for the bride and the groom, you may want to consider using this product during times when the grass isn't dormant or semi-dormant. But keep in mind that if you use this during the summer when the grass is growing, it just isn't going to last long. So I just wanted to make certain that you knew that information.
Welcome to use Smart Controlled Painting Sprayer. Please add lubricant before use.
Now, as you can see, the yard has some challenges because it doesn't have full grass coverage. I've got some bare spots. And though the colorant isn't really intended to cover up bare spots, I'm hoping that that's going to be one of the benefits for using this product. Now, when spraying, you'll want to make certain that you keep the spray away from the sidewalk and driveway or any material you don't want colored. Now, I want to remind you and encourage you to check out the seejanedrill Dream House Accelerator course because, well, it's going to take your DIY skills right through the roof. Now, I'll place a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.